Hey everybody, so I know it's been a minute since I've been on here. Like, a bitch has been just busy, and also life just like, you know, just decides sometimes that it just wants to play with me. But I'm back now. I'm hopefully gonna stick around for good now because I like makeup and I like putting it on my face. Today's video is something that I have not seen. Now listen, I know I'm late to the game. I know that this primer has been out for over a year now. It's become some people's favorite thing ever, their holy grail, all that. I know people have done thousands of videos on this, and I went through pages and pages to make sure that these two were not compared yet, and I could not find a single damn thing. So if I somehow am doing something that someone else did, that's not my fucking problem, and I tried my best to look for anyone who was doing it, and I haven't found anybody. This is all my idea. So yeah. Alright, so I have seen people compare this specific primer to other like cheaper primers, but not one that cost $1. I'm talking about this. This is the Bolero Beverly Hills Soothing Facial Gel Hydrator, and this is not a primer, it's a hydrator, like it's like a moisturizer, but we're gonna talk. This is the Cucumber and Aloe one. It's got a lot of product in here. From what I gather, they're cruelty-free, so I'm hoping that's, you know, true, because I only use cruelty-free makeup. So I have this right here, and what I'm going to be testing it against is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer that everybody loves. Now this came from Sephora. This is like a birthday thing. My cousin went to Sephora and they gave her this for her birthday and she didn't want it, so she gave it to me. But it seemed like this was meant to happen, like this was fate or something, because I was gonna buy the primer, but then I found out it was $30, and then I was like, absolutely fucking not. And then I know that there's a mini one that's $15, but that also includes $10 shipping. And she didn't tell me she was going to Sephora, so I couldn't ask her to get it for me. But she brought this back, so seems like this was meant to happen. So yeah, I am not gonna do a wear test because it is like 12 o'clock at night. Where the fuck am I gonna go? Taco Bell? I don't know, but the primer's in here along with the mascara, the Kush mascara that a lot of people love. And then I haven't heard anybody talk about these cheek stick things. And then the primer is right here in a fucking condom wrapper pouch. Like, they really were like, we're just giving you a fucking pinch, bitch. Like, we're not giving you no little bottle. No, we're gonna give you like some hand sanitizer wipe shit. This is my only chance to film this. If I fuck up on this video, I cannot do this again because this is all gonna be gone. But yeah, so we're gonna do this. So let's compare these really quickly and then let's jump right the fuck into this. Beforehand though, I always do my eyes first. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll come back, but we're gonna compare these really quickly. So the reason that I'm doing this is because when I saw this at Dollar Tree, I saw the bottle and then it said gel hydrator for the face, and I was like, that sounds a little bit like the Milk one. I keep hearing everybody talk about it, but I've never tried it. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna take it home and then I'm gonna check it out and see what's up. So what I did was I went home, here, my house, and I looked up the ingredients, and what do you fucking know? They're matches. Like, there are ingredients in here that are the same. Yeah, obviously the Milk one has like pretty shit like flower extract, right, and cannabis and like THC and CBD, you know what I mean? But no, it doesn't have THC. You're not gonna get high off your primer. But it has like cool shit in there to make you go, ooh, like the reason why it's $30 is because of this. But no, yeah, and also too, this has fragrance in it. This doesn't, so that's another thing. They're both cruelty free. Okay, so now I'm back. I have my eye look on. Let me just make sure that I'm in focus because the bitch can't see. Yeah, so ooh, that is a vibrant look. This is some oranges, the dark red in there. I don't know why it looks ugly in the camera. But yeah, I use the Festival palette. by Juvia's Place. And this is a really good palette. Highly recommend Juvia's Place. But yeah, so came out good. Oh, and I also used a little bit of Colourpop's Ladybird on the lid and a little bit of inner corner. You can see that. So now we're gonna get into the primers. Or this is not a primer, this is a hydrator, but same damn thing. The Milk Hydro Primer is gonna go over here, and then the Bolero Dollar Tree one is gonna go over here. Yeah. So you guys can see it right there. And yeah, so here we go. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this one first. Oh gosh, I'm filming, right? Because I only got one try with this. Ooh, I should have used scissors. Got him. Got him. Alright, here we go. Oh wait, there's some in here. Do I try to use it all? Why does it say it's fragrance free but it smells? Okay. Ooh. 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 Oh. Okay, I need to create like a line right down here. Okay. It's really tacky. I remember when I tried the other one on my hand, it felt like that too. Everybody says like this is cooling. You know, okay. Now it just feels like I'm putting moisturizer on my face. So let's have that dry too. Now we're gonna go in with the Bolero one. And let's go ahead and look how much you get in here though. This one's clear. Is the other one clearer? Had a little bit of a green tint. So now I'm gonna put this here. Feels the same. It's fragranced though, which to each your own. If that bothers you, it does bother me a little bit, but like, it smells good though. I can't smell cucumber. It almost smells like watermelon. Ooh. I do have something else from Dollar Tree that's like watermelon-y. So let me see. Okay, this basically feels the same, to be honest. I'll put this right here. Wow, this like took up a lot more space. Okay. And then this one actually feels cooler. Like for that cooling effect, this feels like you have something cooling on your face. Okay, right down here. While that's drying, let's just go ahead and start. Fuck it. Alright, so I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Buff Bisque in the shade Buff Bisque. This is the neutral one. And this is my favorite foundation. And I have not decided to change. And I don't really feel like I want to anytime soon because I love it so much. So I'm going to go ahead and put it over here. And then I'm going to start with this. My Wet n Wild blender. And let's see what happens. Alright. I don't see any difference to how I normally put it on. So like, it doesn't look any different to how I normally put it with my regular moisturizer. So, I don't know. So now, tacky too, sticky, and let's see. Put this on. Cutting through clips. Why does it look like there's more coverage over here than over here? I know I don't have the best camera quality in the world. Jesus Christ, I look like Mr. Clean. But like, why you can see a little bit of red spots and stuff like that, but over here you can't. Okay. That is very interesting. Now we're gonna go into mascara, and I'm gonna try the Milk Kush mascara. I just bought the Essence one. Bailey Sarian uses this, and I wanted to try it. Yeah, so I want to try this. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and do this one because it was a thing and everybody loves this, so I thought, why not? So let me go ahead and curl my lashes really quickly, and then let's put this mascara on. Should I put one on one eye and one on the other? Ooh, maybe that would be fun. Why not? Let's do that. So I'm gonna do the Kush one over here. Whoa, that is a fluffy. Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna like that. Oh my god. Alright, let's see what happens, right? I'm gonna try to like dry it before I mess myself up because I'm always messing up my mascara. So far, it looks pretty. Okay. It looks pretty. Here we go. Alright, let's see. Okay, this side looks fuller. This side looks longer. So like, I guess like false lashes, yeah, they look longer over here. But these look fuller. I don't know, it's just, I guess it just sort of depends on what like you don't mind spending $24 on mascara, why not? But like this one's only $5 and it's kind of cute. Yeah, this side is just like, it looks more fuller. I think it's because the formula is thicker. Yeah, and I think they said it was a lip thing. Let's go ahead and try it for lips, right? Why not? Let's see what happens. No. 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 Let's go ahead and go on with the lips now. Since this is like orangey, reddish, I think we should probably... Ooh, I don't know. Should I just go in with a gloss? Fuck it, right? The gloss. Ooh, let's go in with two glosses. I go in with the Marc Jacobs Lip Lacquer and Forbidden Fruit, and then because it's orange, I love this gloss. And I got these at Ross and TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so I didn't pay full price for these. Just so you know. That's cute. And then let's go in with a little bit of the LORAC Lip Lustre and Fuchsia Lustre. This one's got glitter in it. I hate this wand. Look at this. What the fuck is that? Yeah, that is glittery. It looks cute. Makes my lips look real juicy. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm back. I got everything done. I used the spray. It made me look really dewy. So if you want to try it, it's a watermelon one, Bolero one for $1 at Dollar Tree. It's a facial mist. So I like it. I like how it made me look. I look really dewy and like just, yeah, I like it. Okay, as for the mascara, they basically look the same. This side just looks a little bit more thicker, but this side looks longer. So I was I don't know. I don't know if that's $24 worth of lash right there. But like for $5, like this is really good. Not even that Wet n Wild mascara I used to use did this. So that's really nice. The Essence one. It's fucking ugly packaging though. It's fucking hideous, but you know, it's a good mascara. But as for the big thing, the primers, I'm gonna have to say that this wins for the price alone. This is only $1, and I don't see a single difference. I do not. So I think I found a dupe. So if you want to go to Dollar Tree and pick this up, go ahead and do that and compare it yourself if you have the hydro primer. If you don't, I wouldn't say to go spend that much, but this does the same thing. So if you've been wanting it and you don't want to spend that much, it's right here. So yeah, $1, go get it, I would say. But yeah, so that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching and checking me out. Check me out on Instagram and on Twitter, and I will have another video on here really soon, I promise. Yes, and that's it. Okay. All right, bye.